Hello there and welcome. How's it going? This is Mark Castillo, aka the Digital Marketing Warrior. Welcome to the Ask and Be Inspired affiliate marketing live stream, designed to help you get unstuck, produce results, and achieve time freedom even if you're brand new. One of the common questions I see a lot of when it comes to building an affiliate marketing business is they always ask this question. And let me know in the comments down below if you can relate to this. What is the best strategy that I can start using right now for my business? Have you ever asked that question? Probably at a live event, maybe on a coaching call, maybe you've asked around on the forums. Let me know in the comments down below if you have. I'll see this question pop up a lot from time to time. And when I do read the answers that some other people say to the people asking these types of questions, I will see that it doesn't exactly get covered the right way. And this is how I remember going into it when I started my own affiliate marketing journey all the way back in 2016, is when you're a complete beginner and you see all of the exciting possibilities that lie ahead of you. The thing that you get intimidated by is when you start going through the trainings, what's the first thing that you get intimidated by? The first thing is seeing all the different marketing strategies. I remember going through the bootcamp training for the affiliate marketing business opportunity I was promoting at that time. And what I found really fast was when I was learning, jotting down all the notes for all these different marketing strategies, I felt overwhelmed. I felt like I had to do all the marketing strategies all at once. I mean, imagine just going to a restaurant and then when you sit at the tables, you're handed a menu that has a plethora of options. Here, go pick what you want based on these 50 to over hundreds of different choices on the menu. And what that does is it creates overwhelm because you don't know exactly what to focus on. You don't know what's going to be the best one to go for. And that's what I'm going to cover here in today's topic. You want to make sure that you don't fall for the best strategy trap. What is the best strategy trap? Well, I just went over it. It's what is the best be-all, end-all strategy that I can use for my business so that I don't have to worry about any of the other strategies. This is for you if you've been finding yourself asking that question. So I'm going to go over it over here. So what you got to understand up front say, are we doing an audio? Okay. So what you got to understand up front is there's no one best strategy that trumps all the others. Now, for different marketing strategies, there's all these different ways that you can use them to get results in your business. But if you're a complete beginner, you got to understand that there's not one strategy that's going to be the be-all, end-all for your business. For example, if you're thinking about using social media marketing for your business, it's a great marketing strategy. When you take the time to invest into a course into it, you like to get a coach, mentor that shows you what to do, and then you go ahead and implement. You take action, and let's say that's been the only thing that you're doing for your business. Okay, you're getting results, fantastic. But you're leaving a lot of other opportunities out there to 10x your income. If you're all you're doing is relying on social media marketing, that alone is not going to be enough. You need to have other strategies in place for your business to maximize on its ROI. And this is why you don't want to rely on one strategy alone. You rely on one strategy alone, you're going to be putting all your eggs in one basket, and that's not going to be a good idea for business. You want to create leverage because that is the goal. You as a marketer is creating leverage. That's your main focus. Now, I'm not saying go out there and start implementing 5 different strategies right now. That's not what I'm saying. What I am saying is as you pick a strategy, you take the time to master it, and then you take action on it, you start seeing results with it, then you add another strategy on top of it. It's like what I learned from my coaches and mentors, Ace and Rich Guzman. You don't want to be subtracting anything that you're already doing. You just want to keep adding to it. You want to keep adding on to another marketing strategy. Add another one once you start seeing results with the one that you've been working on. Don't feel like as a complete beginner, you need to do it all at once. Because the great thing about this industry is you can go at your own pace. You can pick whatever marketing strategy that you want to do. Just because you see somebody do Google ads, it does not mean you have to do Google ads too as your marketing strategy. Just because you see somebody doing YouTube ads, YouTube video ads, it doesn't mean that that's your marketing strategy that you need to be doing also to begin with. Just keep it simple for yourself. In fact, what I recommend that you do if you're a complete beginner in affiliate marketing is you just focus on mastering the basics. Okay, you know that you're going to need social media for your business. Okay, get on social media, start discovering how that process is going to work and start implementing it. You're going to need email marketing. How can I set up email marketing in a way that will work out in my favor and get me the desired results that I want? So you take up a course that will show you how to set up email marketing the right way for your business. That's where I would start, which leads me to number 3. Don't spend a whole lot of time being stuck in analysis paralysis. What does that mean? Well, if you don't know what analysis paralysis is when you see all these, well, think of that restaurant menu I brought up earlier on in this video. Think of seeing all these different menu options and you're just feeling overwhelmed and confused because you don't know what to pick. You don't know what's going to be the best option to choose from. So don't get stuck in that. You just need to pick one strategy Take the time to learn how that whole process works, then start implementing it, take action on it until you start seeing good results with it. And then once you start seeing good results with it, once that starts rolling in, then you add another marketing strategy on top of it, and you just simply rinse and repeat the process. Don't get stuck in the belief that there is a be all end all strategy that works better than all the rest of them out there. Some people find that there's different marketing strategies that work out for them. For you, that might not necessarily be the case. However, what I do know and what you need to know is you're going to need social media marketing and email marketing for your affiliate marketing business. Everybody that's building a business online right now, especially an affiliate marketing business, they need to have social media and email marketing. Those are the essentials. That's not an option that you can do without it. Those are the essential strategies. But the other ones, you can pick and choose from. You don't need to do every single one of them. Just don't overwhelm yourself. Keep it simple. Like I said, the great thing about this industry is you can go at your own pace and just do it one strategy at a time. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and stop sharing screen here. Come back over here. And now it's time for questions. I didn't see any questions coming prior to this live stream episode, but if you got any questions for me about anything, especially what I covered just now, now's the time to ask while I go ahead and get a quick sip of water, and I'll come back over here to see if there are any questions. Okay, questions time. Okay, I don't see any questions that came in, but if you got any questions for me at any point, just leave it as a comment down below this video, and I'll address it in the next live stream episode. I trust you got a ton of value out of this live stream, and if you did, how would you like to gift yourself more incredible life experiences? If you've been attempting to do that through crappy marketing programs that haven't been working out in your favor, let me help you end your struggles. This is what I would like you to do. Grab my free beginner's cheat sheet for affiliate marketing report by looking for the link below this video. Then once you've gotten your cheat sheet, I'd like for you to check out my #1 recommended program to start achieving more time freedom now. Let me know what I can do to help you get started. With that said, this is Mark Castillo, aka the Digital Marketing Warrior. Thank you for joining me in on this live stream episode. Have an amazing day, wherever you may be, whatever time zone that you're watching this from, and I'll see you on the next one very soon. Take care, and all the absolute best.